This is why you need print-on-demand mastery. Dive in with us as we unlock the essential strategies that will elevate your entrepreneurial game to the next level. Secret 1. Niche down. Zoom in on a unique market to stand out. It's all about passion meeting demand. Secret 2. Quality is king. Whether it's Adobe Tools or a designer's touch, make your designs pop. Secret 3. Platform power. Choose wisely. Whether it's Printful, Teespring, or another, pick the best battlefield for your products. Secret 4. Listings that sell. High-res images, vivid descriptions, and those all-important keywords. Secret 5. Pricing prowess. Keep it competitive, yet profitable. Know your market. Secret 6. Market like a mogul. Social media, email blasts, influencer collabs. Get the word out. Secret 7. Show off those rave reviews. Social proof can turbocharge trust and sales. Secret 8. Promotions that push people to purchase. Sales and deals can create urgency and boost your brand. Secret 9. Customer service is your secret weapon. Quick responses, real solutions. Secret 10. The power of analysis. Use feedback and data to refine and reign. Follow these steps, and you're not just selling, you're succeeding. Subscribe for more insights, and let's print some success together.